With over 70% of the Earth's surface covered with water, oceans have grown into superhighways. Connected with a web of trade routes to 600 ports in over 12 countries, Singapore is a premier global hub port that provides users with reliable, value-added and cost-efficient marine services and facilities. With the liberalization of the bunkering industry in the 80s, Singapore is now the leading and largest bunkering hub in the world, with bunker sales reaching a record high in 2015. Singapore's bunkering strategy is underpinned by 5 key pillars.
The Singapore bunkering industry has grown from strength to strength, doing away with the need for manual tank gauging, which is prone to human errors. The application of MFM in the unique operating environment of bunkering not only assures what you get is what you pay for, but also leads to overall productivity improvements for the industry.
In Singapore, we have safe practices, we have cost effectiveness, we have quantity and quality assurance. That makes Singapore a more conducive place to receive the bunker. The authority is very proactive to get all the stakeholders of the bunkering industry, the buyer, the supplier, the authority are working hand in hand together to make this industry more reputable. That is uniquely Singapore.
It is about our people, our processes, and how we position ourselves. Over the years, we have streamlined our bunker licensing framework. We have even introduced accreditation schemes for bunker suppliers and bunker surveying companies.
Bunkering standards are a critical pillar in the evolution of the Singapore bunkering industry, starting with the first standard in 1992. Collectively, we develop and review standards to ensure they remain relevant as the industry evolves.
As part of our vision of a clean, green and community-oriented port, we have identified LNG bunkering as one of the marine fuel solutions for the future. In this regard, we will be launching the LNG bunkering pilot program so that we can build up our experience, our credibility. As a leading bunkering hub port, we need to be future-ready, specifically to be LNG bunker-ready port.
As a leading global hub port and international maritime centre, we are committed to setting the highest standards for shipping and port management. Platforms such as the Singapore Maritime Week, the Port Authorities Roundtable, SIPCON, and the inaugural LNG Bunkering Roundtable are ways in which we bring together all key stakeholders to promote safe, efficient, and sustainable shipping. In the area of bunkering, we will be the first port in the world to introduce mandatory mass flow metering for bunkering operations from 1st January 2017. We're also working with like-minded Asian and European ports to build a network of LNG bunker-ready ports along the Asia-Europe and eventually the Trans-Pacific shipping routes. All these efforts will take time, but it's our firm belief that we can achieve these objectives a lot faster when we start forging key partnerships by co-developing the solutions, setting the standards, and cross-leveraging on one another's strengths and expertise.
Here you'll find a rapidly changing world and Singapore at the heart of it. Working hand in hand with our partners and stakeholders, we will continue to stay relevant and resilient for the future.